Let us now consider the ribbon interface. The ribbon interface is something that was introduced by Microsoft from Office version 2007 and onwards. Here you can see I'm using Excel 2007, and it is this part right here. It basically replaces the menu bar that used to be across all Microsoft Office applications. It's made up of small components. So at the top here, we have what's called the tabs. So for example, this is the current active tab called the Home tab. Then we have Insert, Page Layout, Formulas, Data, Review, View, etc. Note that you might not see some of these other tabs in your version of Excel. It's because I've enabled some extra options and I also have some additional add-ins. But that shouldn't matter too much. Within each tab, we have something called a group. A group is something like this. So for example, here we have the clipboard group, the font group, alignment group, number group, etc. And within each group itself, we have something called command buttons. So command buttons are primary ways that you tell Excel to do something. So for example, we have the wrap text command here, the center command, the middle align command, and so on and so forth. Note that within each tab, there might be a different number of groups, and within each group, there'll be a different number of commands. Each group also has this little drop-down button, or most groups have this, and this basically allows you to get more options within that group that Excel basically couldn't fit on the screen. So we can see here, if I click on this, this will show us the clipboard. Similarly, if I click on the little pull-out in the alignment group, you will see more alignment options, and so on. The major benefit of having the ribbon interface is that it's actually really helpful for beginners and also for advanced and power users. What it allows you to do is if you hover over absolutely anything, it will tell you what that button does, and if there's any shortcut that Excel has already assigned to it. So for example, if you wanted to know what the format painter was, you can just hover over it, and Excel will give you a little description of what it does. If you're trying to figure out what a formula might do, so for example, if I go to the formula tab and want to find out, for example, what the auto sum does, we can hover over it, and Excel will show us a little picture as well as a description of exactly what it is. This could be really helpful when you're learning new formulas or new functions within Excel.